Hello everyone, my name is Devandito Nandika Putra. Today, I will share my opinion about the 8th President of Indonesia. In my opinion, President Prabowo has a firm and straightforward leadership style. He seems serious in carrying out his duty and doesn't beat around the bush. For example, his policy on handling the COVID-19 pandemic or defense policies. Although this policy has drawn both praise and criticism, it at least shows his courage in making decisions. Whether they success or not, there's at least a tangible effort towards change. We will just have to wait and see what the result will be. And now, I will presentation about the simple present tense. Introduction. The simple present tense is used to express habits, routines, general truths, and fixed schedule. It's the most basic tense in English. Example, Via eats pizza every day. You know, tenses that are shaped like the example sentence above are simple present tense. But it turns out that the function of the present tense is not only to express activities that are done repeatedly like Via. Learning objectives. After this presentation, you will be able to 1. Identify the forms of the simple present tense. 2. Use the simple present tense in positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. 3. Differentiate the simple present tense from other tenses like simple past, simple present continuous, and simple future. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tenses used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are commonly done in the present. What does present mean? Present is simple present tense mean now. Then simple means simple. And tense is the form of the verb according to the time period used. Is present tense used? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an even or general fact that is happening now. In other words, the formula for this tense is not too complicated. The reason is we often use these tenses in everyday life. So, we can say a sentence if it consists of the following three things: S for subject, P for predicate, and C for complement. But there are only two mandatory ones, the subject and the predicate. Function and use of simple present tense. Aside from expressing facts, when we can use the simple present tense in a sentence? The answer is in the below. 1. Is a general truth or facts. 2. Is habitual or daily activity, aka repeated action. 3. Is express feelings and emotions. 4. Is the schedule even in the near future or familiar with the future condition. 5. Is a command or instruction, general truth or facts. In the world, we cannot escape from absolute truth or general truth. Well, generalization means truth that cannot be challenged. So, simple present tense is sentence from to state something concrete. An example of a sentence is 1. Water boils at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. 2. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. 3. Fish live in water. Habitual or daily activities, aka repeated actions. If you hear the word habit, you can definitely guess its meaning easily. Yep, simple present tense also function to show habits or daily activities, aka activities or schedule that you do repeatedly. An example of tense is 1. I play basketball twice a week. 2. They always go to work every day. 3. I always go to school at 6 o'clock in the morning. Express feelings and emotions. Are you sad? Or maybe you are thinking about something? Don't hesitate. You can express it through simple present tense sentence. An example of a sentence is, my father looks angry to me because I come home late. 2. Really? I'm afraid of dark. Please turn on the lamp. 3. I was upset because I got really bad score in English lesson. Schedule event in the near future or familiar with future conditions. What is meant by this function is that the simple present tense is also used to discuss activities or events that are scheduled in the near future. In addition, this tense is commonly used in discussing transportation schedule. An example, the planes arrive at 8 p.m. tomorrow. The restaurants open at 20 p.m. tonight. 3. The next Thursday at 40 p.m. there is an English exam. Comment or instructions. Have you ever watched a cooking tutorial? Look no further. You must have often read instructions or comments on your smartphone, right? In the following sentence. 1. Pour the juice into the cup. 2. Listen to this carefully. 3. Open the window, please. We will talk about formula simple present tense. Do you know about types of sentence? If so, of course you understand that a sentence can be verbal or nominal. So, the predicate is not always a verb. What is a simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 or S or ES plus object for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject auxiliary verb to be plus object. Positive sentence formula subject plus verb 1 plus S or ES plus object. Example 1. I eat apples. 2. She plays the piano. 3. They go to school. Sentence formula subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Do is used with I, you, we, they, and does is used with he, she, it. Example 1. I do not eat meat. 2. She doesn't play tennis. Sentence formula do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example 1. Do you like coffee? 2. Does he work here? Formula positive subject plus to be is am, are plus noun or adjective. Negative is subject plus auxiliary do or does plus not plus bare infinitive or subject plus to be am, is, are plus not. Interrogative to be am, is, are plus subject or do or does plus subject plus bare infinitive. Am is for I, is for he, she, it, are for you, we, they. Examples 1. I am a student. 2. She is beautiful. Simple present tense. You can learn example of the use of this tense from through English song lyrics. What are some Western song lyrics that use the simple present tense? Example are as follows. You by Meghan Trainor. Here's how it goes. So it breaks my heart when you say I'm just a friend to you, 'cause friends don't do the things we do. Everybody knows you love me too. Try to be careful with the words I use. I say it 'cause I'm done. It together. In the first lyric, why is it bricks instead of brick? Yes, the formula is that verb 1 must be added with S or ES if the subject is the third person in the lyric above. The subject is it. Therefore, The basic verb is break but is changed to breaks. Characteristic of simple present tense sentence. After summarizing the previous explanations, here are some characteristics of the present tense. First, using verbs in the basic form or infinitive or familiar irregular verbs. Example, I play soccer every weekend. Play is a verb in the basic form. Second, using auxiliary verbs, namely do or does, for verbal sentence in negative and interrogative forms. Example, 1. She doesn't eat meat. Doesn't mean does not. Auxiliary verbs in the negative form for the subject she. 2. Do you like chocolate? Do. This means auxiliary verb for questions with the subject you. Third, in the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, seldom, rarely, never, every day, week, month, year. As example, I always drink coffee in the morning.